Now we come to the concept of the handover or the handoff. Suppose this mobile station is in a voice call with the network and it is connected with the base station number 1, but it is moving towards the base station number 2. So the power that it is receiving from the base station number 1, this power is decreasing, and this power decreases till it reaches this threshold, and this is called as the handoff or the handover threshold. And at this point, this mobile station connects to the base station number 2. That means that it is assigned a channel in the base station number 2 and it connects to the base station number 2. So we can see that here the received power of this mobile from the base station number 2 has increased, and now it is connected to the base station number 2. Now this procedure of switching the base stations is called as the handover or the handoff. Now suppose this mobile station is connected to the base station number 1 and it is moving towards the base station number 2, and the power that it is receiving from the base station number 1, it is decreasing till it reaches the handoff threshold. Now at this point, this mobile station should make handover to this base station, but for example, if there is no channel available in the base station number 2, then this mobile station cannot make the handover. So the power that this mobile station is receiving from the base station 1, it decreases till it reaches the threshold below which it cannot maintain a call with the base station number 1. So after a brief time, this call is dropped. That means that the mobile station is dropped from the network. So this is an improper handover or an improper handoff situation. Now here we have two thresholds. One is the handoff threshold and other is the threshold below which the call is not possible. The difference between these two thresholds is called as the delta. If we make the delta very large, then what would happen is that this threshold would be here, and if there is a slight decrease in the power received from the base station number 1, and there is a mobile here and there is a slight decrease in the power that it is receiving from the base station number 1, it would make handover to the base station number 2. And after that, when the power that is being received by this mobile station from the base station 1 increases again, this mobile station would again make a handover to the base station number 1. So there is a ping pong effect that would take place, and there are unnecessary handovers taking place. So we cannot make the delta very large, and if we make the delta very small, in that case what would happen is that, for example, this handoff threshold is if here, then there is a very small time in which this mobile station has to make handover to the base station number 2, and if due to some reason there is a delay in the assignment of the channel in the base station number 2 to this mobile, then in that case the received power from the base station number 1 may already decrease from the minimum acceptable signal level threshold, and as a result the mobile would be dropped from the network. So we cannot make the delta very large or very small, rather we have to choose a value in between.